station. Yeah, so enjoy. Yeah.
Thank you, mommy.
Any plans for today?
No, not really. I'm just gonna be home.
That's good. Just chill. Yeah.
Yeah.
Since we are not having a church, it means we are not seeing Michaela, innit?
Yeah, because I wanted to join online, Wise Master Builder.
Yeah, I'm not even joining online today.
Mm,
I'm not going in person.
yeah.
Yeah, for some cold, but I'm just
Oh,
trusting.
sorry, mommy.
It has come back again.
Oh, this weather, eh?
Yeah,
Please,
but I'm
mommy.
just trusting God I can go tomorrow in
Okay.
person.
Yes.
Yeah, so I just pray that Michaela will understand when she sees us on Sunday.
Yeah, yeah, you go, but there's no church today. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even Janice was asking me, and I said, "Oh, we are not going to church."
Yeah.
Yeah, but it is well.
Yeah.
She will come.
Yeah. I will explain to her. Yes.
She will understand.
Yes.
Okay. My regards to St. Charles.
Yes, mommy.
Okay.
Okay,
All the
mommy.
best. I'll see you here. God willing on Sunday.
Yes, by God's
You know
grace.
that is not around.
Yes, mommy. Yes.
Okay, all the best.
Yes, mommy. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. And how's your cold?
No, it's gotten better. Yeah, yes. It's even gone now.
Thank God. We thank God. Okay, all the best.
Okay, mommy. Bye now.